Okay, so what we're going to want to do inside of your Airtable sales pipeline is going to take the info that we have here, and we're going to want to add a new view based on the deals that we've won. And the reason why we're going to do that is that's going to be used as the trigger for then some automations that are going to happen afterwards. So maybe you want to send an email to somebody or a team to notify them that a new deal's been won. Maybe you want to send a text message to your phone to let you know that a deal's been won. That's always good, an instant SMS. So the way we trigger this is by having a new view which only shows the deals won. And this is the thing that works nicely with Zapier. So to create a new view, go over to this arrow in the top left hand corner, press that, and add a view which is going to be a grid view. Then as we go to a filter, we're going to want to filter where the sales stage is closed and won. And now we have our two deals that have been won recently in this view. So now if we wanted to go and trigger an automation, we could say that if a new record appears in this view inside of our Airtable base, then do something else. So once you got to this stage, we're done for this step, and then the next step we're going to set up our integration.